Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening. Today I will present about my research with the title Analysis of Regional Financial Independence and Efficiency Associated with Economic Growth in Pasangkayu Regency in the period 2013 until 2018. This research is written by Taufik Hidayat Petahawa and Rati Ibnu Khaldun from Sulawesi Barat University in Majene. This is the abstract of the research. This research type is quantitative using a secondary data, and this research also analyzed using a financial ratio. The keyword in this research is analysis of regional financial independence. After that, regional financial efficiency and economic growth. The introductions of this research, I will show about the correlate between economic growth, national priority, and in RPJMN 2020 until 2024, regional autonomy, and manage financial independency and efficiency. This research, I will look the correlate between economic growth, national priority, regional autonomy, independency, and efficiency in Pasangkayu Regency. This is the Pasangkayu economic growth. The economic growth of Pasangkayu Regency in the last 6 years has been fluctuating, where in 2014 was a highest growth with 16.40, which while 2016 was the lowest economic growth in the last 6 years with 4.03. After that, the economic growth is important to note in a Pasangkayu because economic growth is an indicator of the success of the government performance, include financial performance in creating a better and a more proposed life for the people in the area. In this research also, to find out extent to which the level efficiency and independence regional finance present in a financial statement need to analyze the financial statement. Financial statement analyze use several techniques for analyzing financial statement, among others, by using a financial ratio analysis. Financial ratio analysis is a measure of the financial accept to identify financial characteristic based on the data in financial report. There are several ways to calculate the regional financial performance, including calculating the independency ratio, fiscal decentralization, degree ratio, effectiveness ratio, efficiency ratio, and many more. This research will conducted in Pasangkayu Regency, which is one of the outermost area in West Sulawesi province. This research was conducted to synchronize financial performance in order to realize the vision of Pasangkayu Regency in Indonesia, Pasangkayu Regency, to become a professional, productive, proactive Pasangkayu in 2021. The research this is the financial analysis ratio, financial ratio. In this research, financial ratio analysis is a measure to the financial aspect to identify financial characteristic based of the data contained in the financial report. So the data in this research is from financial report. After that, the Pasangkayu district need to do separate research to get a concrete picture of the analysis of independence and efficiency in increased economic growth. Based on this description, the author, I am and Riyadi Ibnu Khaldun, are interested in conducting research to determine the extent of the efficiency and independence of regional financial in Pasangkayu Regency. After that, the research of this method, the research method of this research is descriptive quantitative. The research will be conducted at the regional government of Pasangkayu Regency, which is the object of the research, in order to obtain the required data, namely quantitative data, namely data in the form the number consisting of the regional financial report. And the data source of this research, source of the data used in this study, use a secondary data. The secondary data, namely in the form data obtained from written materials on a website of the Ministry of Finance of the Republic of Indonesia, to the data portal of the Directorate General of Fiscal Balance and the Central Statistic Agency of West Sulawesi Province. And the analytical tools. The analytical tools from in this research. The first is regional independency ratio. To count the regional independency ratio, we use a terms like in this presentation, in this slide, is local generate revenue divided total assistance center and provincial loan. After that, the table above, the table in this slide is to show the criteria of the relationship patterns of regional capacity level. This ratio will illustrate the level of regional dependence on external funding resource. The higher of self-relevance ratio, the lower the level of the regional dependence on external assistance, and vice versa. This is in this slide, I show you all about the criteria of this ratio. And a second ratio is a regional financial efficiency analysis, which efficiency analysis is the level maximum of output achievement with a certain input. Efficiency describe the comparison between the amount the cost incurred to obtain income with a realization of the income received. The efficiency analysis is formulated is expendable realization divided budget revenue, and the criteria or financial performance efficiency is in the slide. After that, research and result. The first result is regional independency ratio analysis. Based on the result of the regional financial independence ratio analysis carried out, the following is the output to calculating of the independency ratio of the Pasangkayu Regency government for 2013 to 2018. Based on this result of the analysis contained in the table, it can be seen that result of the calculation of the regional financial independence ratio in Pasangkayu Regency show a lower percentage and tend to be low because the data presented show an instructive or very low level, which is below this is below the percentage of 25%. The condition of the local government of Pasangkayu Regency, when viewed from the calculating of the independency ratio, is still in the very low category, which an instructive relationship pattern for 2013 until 2018 on a scale of 0 until 25%, which means that the contribution of the central government is still greater than a regional independence itself. Uh, this is main discussion. The ratio of independency describe the contribution of the society in a regional development, which means that the higher of the ratio independence, the more involvement of the community in paying local taxes and lives in the period of time based on Ulum 2020, 2012. After that, the independency ratio implies dependence of the source of fund outside a government fund itself. The self-reliance ratio in Pasangkayu district illustrates of the level dependence that is still very dependent on the central government. And the second ratio, the result of the second ratio, regional financial efficiency analysis. Table above describe the result of the calculating of the financial efficiency ratio for 2013 and to 2018. Cumulatively, the level of efficiency of regional financial management in Pasangkayu Regency during 2013, 2014, 2015, 2017, and 2018 fiscal years was less efficient, while in the 2016, the results were inefficient criteria. The existence of the inefficient criteria is due to low region revenue when compared to the regional expenditure of the period of time. Unplanned expenditure allocation and ineffective management of the source of income from 2013 to 2018. The above result also illustrate that the level of district financial management efficiency was in Pasangkayu from 2013 to 2018 has not been going well or trend to be very inefficient. Efficiency is defined as the achievement of a maximum output for a certainly input based on the Rando Nu 2016. Efficiency is a comparison of the output and input associated with a predetermined level of the performance or target budget. The data above illustrate the Pasangkayu district has not maximized the achievement of a maximum output over a minimum input. This tends to illustrate that the output generated in regional financial management is still a minimum with a large input. This is indicate that the concept of efficiency in a regional financial management should focus on the output that will be produced by a government. The Pasangkayu district government certainly need a fund in carrying out the development activity where the financing come from the APBD. Discussion. The discussion, I will look the analysis of independence, efficiency, economic growth from 2013 to 2018. The table above show that the efficiency ratio from 2013 to 2018 still show inefficient result with a majority percentage above 100%, while the majority independence ratio show the result of the instructive relationship pattern, where the role of the role of a central government is more dominant than the independence of a local government. Meanwhile, economic growth tends to fluctuate from 2013 to 2018 directly. When a view from the table above, there is no influence between the result, the efficiency ratio, and the ratio independence to economic growth. This result also in line with research Tolosang 2018 with a similar result. That implies that the various economic activity that have occurred in the economic life of Pasangkayu Regency in the last 6 years has not had a significant effect on regional financial independence and efficiency in the government and development of Pasangkayu Regency. The relationship between independence and economic growth is indirectly related where the depends ratio which increase in a period will reduce the rate of economic growth. This is because the transfer funds are still high, causing regions to have a level of dependence on central fund to finance regional need. So that region can be said to be not yet independent in the managing their finance. Economic growth uh, is the goal efficiency in allocation of economic research in the public sector as well as a part of the central government goals of taking a policy that can lead to indicator of increasing per capita income. Uh, the regional financial process, such as the process of government spending and obtained revenue, where the revenue that should be allocated to create jobs, which are part of the translation of the more economic growth, can only be used to cover the shortfall caused by the large number of regional ex, expenditures, so that is can affect the number of unemployed and is indirectly related to concept of efficient. The economic growth also affect the reduction of unemployment and poverty rates. This also cannot be separate from a good regional financial management based on the guidelines for regional financial management in Permendagri number 13 of uh, to, of 2006, Article 4, Paragraph 1. A regional financial system must be managed in an ordered manner, obeying the prevailing laws and regulation, and must be transparent, effective, efficient, economical, and responsible. So the conclusion of the research, uh, the study aimed to see a dependency ratio analysis and regional financial efficiency analysis on economic growth in Pasangkayu Regency in 2013 to 2018. Based on the result of the discussion that has been carried out, it can be concluded that the calculation of the regional financial independence ratio of Pasangkayu Regency from 2013 to 2018 is still at an instructive or low level, which is below that 25% criteria. While the overall financial efficiency ratio for, for 2013 to 2018, the average level efficiency of regional financial management in Pasangkayu Regency during the 2016 fiscal year was less efficient. Meanwhile, the economic growth of Pasangkayu Regency tends to fluctuate and from 2015 to 2016 has decreased quite significant from 2014. In 2017, economic growth increased from 2016, and in 2018 decreased again from 2017. Thank you from Taufik Hidayat Bitahawa Indradi Ibnu Khaldun. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.